Well, road crews across central Kentucky are gearing up for the blast of cold weather.
In Scott County, crews got a head start today after an early round of snow moved through. Dejiana Wilson has more on how officials are preparing to take on extreme conditions.
A little surprise this morning and this afternoon. It's a total surprise.
Despite the unexpected amount of snow, the Scott County Roads Department was already hard at work, salting roads and plowing what had fallen. Consider it a head start to what's ahead.
We're a little bit nervous on what's going to come about, but we're trying to prepare to the best of our ability.
Director J.R. Brandenburg says his department has made sure the vehicles are ready to go for this weekend's forecasted snowstorm. The crew expects to cover 16 routes across the county, plowing and laying salt for more than 300 miles, including in 45 subdivisions.
You have a snow event that's going to last 24 hours. It's just a cycle after cycle of plowing. You might run 4 cycles in a 24-hour period.
The department is prepared to stay on duty throughout the entire storm if necessary, with fully equipped sleeping rooms and a kitchen on site. Brandenburg says handling the snow is one thing, but when you add in ice and extreme temperatures, that's when it becomes more challenging.
We keep salting and plowing, but if possible, if it gets that bad, please stay home.
If you do have to travel, officials urge you to carry a cell phone and wear proper clothing. It's not uncommon for crews to stop and help a stranded driver. In Scott County, Dejiana Wilson, Fox 56 News.